Open?
Open?
What do you say?
Open?
Open, please. Can't do it with one hand. Take it to Daddy and ask Daddy to. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy.
Skyly, can I help you?
Okay.
Can you be happy?
Here, I will help you. I will help you open it. Say please.
Please.
Okay.
And thank you. You say thank you? Can you find more eggs to put in the bag?
Open?
Open? You can do these yourself, remember? What do you say? Can you say open, please? Oh, her mouth is full. I won't make you talk. I'll just let you get your candy out and stuff it even more.
Good job.
Oh, good girl. Here, you can open this one. Try to open it yourself. Can you get it open? Good girl. Where's more? She's totally going to get the Easter egg hunt this year. Oh, yeah, I think we need to stop eating those, honey. You're worrying me. Go put it in the bag.
Go put it in the bag. You've got one in your hand right there.
Go put it in the bag, Princess.
You're gonna choke yourself on eating.
Go put it in the bag. Can you take it to Daddy?
No. No. Open?
Can you open it? You can open it.
Please?
Say please. Say open, please. There you go. We're almost all done. Well, we still like 5.
Can you put it in?
What do you say? Please? Okay. Here you go, Sky.
Okay, I'm still trying to swallow 3 and shove 1 more in. Don't rush me.
Are you ready to take a rest? Oh. Can you find more eggs?
Oh, don't rush her. Let her chew up.
Okay. Okay. Skyly, can you say bunny? Can you say bunny?